natin.
Congratulations to the USD Golden Spikers for beating the Amazon Soaring Falcons in straight sets. USD is now tied with Ateneo and LaSalle at 6 and 4. We have Coach Oji Mamon, KJ Maham, and Josh Manes. Coach, congratulations for this victory.
Thank you.
Very important kasi, yun nga, naging three-way line na for third and fourth. So, what can you say about your team's effort, especially yung first two sets nung na-denominate niyo yung Adams?
I think the team is responding well with the instructions. Kailangan lang magalit. Anyways, they followed the game plan, maganda execution namin. Meron lapses pero it's part of the match pa din.
Thank you. Yung JJ, ngayon yung last 2 plus 1 service 8, 1 big and 6 excel settle. So yun na. Very important ngayon na ito. Siyempre, especially may pipil labanan sa 3 and 4. So, ano man sa inyo naging response nyo para makuha nyo ng panalo is straight sets para makaka-taste na.
Thankful lang po ako sa mga gabay ng mga coaches po namin para mapalabas po yung totoong laro namin. Tsaka thankful din po ako sa mga ka-teammates ko po, lalo na yung mga leader po sa loob na nag-respond po sila agad. Tsaka ayun po, nagtulong-tulong po kami, may teamwork po talaga. Kaya ayun po, nakuha po namin yung win.
Thank you, George. Well, the way you last 1 block, 2 digs and 9 excel settle. So yun nga, you played with a sense of urgency kanina, especially yung first set. Yung second set, inuminan nyo yung Adamson. So ano yung masasabi mo sa pinakita nyo? Siyempre, lalo yung nga, dikit-dikit na kayo sa 3 and 4. What do you say?
Masaya ako kasi nga nanalo kami in straight sets. Tapos, ayun, parang di ko lang sure if nasunod ba talaga namin yung game plan. Strong serve, yung 3 layers ng ano namin. So, ayun, masaya ako and heading to the, ayun nga, yung sa ranking. Di na muna masyado namin iniisip yun. Mas nagpo-focus kami sa kung what's important now. Yun yung lagi namin win, ganyan.
Thank you, George. Okay, the floor is over.
Coach, after hitting the panic button niya nung nag-4-4 kayo, how happy ka lang sa response ng team win over LaSalle and this dominant win against Saturday?
I think all my emotions yata were being utilized dito. Hindi pa ganun kaseryoso yung mga players. They don't realize pa what's important at this stage. Pero kailangan lang idiin pa namin kung ano yung mga pangangailangan pa nila na adjustments. So, for this match, nag-adjust. Maganda yung pag-follow nila ng instruction. Nabanggit niya yung 3-layer defense. So, maganda yung potential. I hope we can improve it more pa.
Sa players yun nga, 6-4 tatlo kayo ni Ateneo, LaSalle, 3 to 5 yun. Ano lang yung kailangan para kayo makaangat dun sa dikit-dikit na places yun?
Ayun, siguro, of course, goal namin ngayon is win over Ateneo. Focus muna kami sa next games namin and ayun, Ateneo muna kasi sila yung next game namin and then kung natapos na yun, focus na kami sa mga next games.
For me po, magiging 1 at a time po kami every game. Kailangan lang po namin i-dominate yung kalaban namin. Hindi naman totally dominate. Yung gusto kong sabihin is makipagpataasan kami na lang.
Coach, so it seems like yung trend ko is that at least siguro mga 2 or 3 players yung nakaka-score ng double-digit points. And nandun na rin si Valera and si Apolinares. So what can you say na lang na meron kang front lineup na sila lahat kaya mag-score?
That's the strength of this team, yung offensive potential nila. I'm looking forward na maging defensive naman kami. Yung serving namin, siyempre, although hindi kami puntos, but it's on point. Yung targeting, the strong. Tapos yung block namin, hindi rin kami pupuntos doon. So, ano na lang, bonus na lang sa amin kung makakuha kami ng points sa depensa. Pero, basically, this is offensive players.
Okay po. And so, actually this game po, imbis po na puro service faults, yung naging sakit po was net touch faults.
Yeah.
So, ano na lang yung thoughts mo dun sa yung error problem nga ng UST and how can we mitigate this, lalo na po upcoming games, medyo mahirap na rin.
As we do this interview, I'm doing the plan na for next session namin. This is one of the concern that I have to address. Yung the net fault.
And iba is, I think ito na yung mga, I think, third or fourth games since your injuries. Can you say na bumalik ka na sa forma or may medyo kulang-kulang?
Siguro yes. Oo naman. Kasi as of now, wala naman akong nararamdaman. And actually, I have nothing to worry about kasi alam ko naman na may mag-back up sa akin if ever may mag-off ako or may ever mawala ako sa laro. There's someone na mag-feel ng role ko sa incident.
And tumakam naman, you've really been showing up throughout the whole season as a key piece sa offense ng UST. Ano na lang yung gusto mong makitang growth sa sarili mo coming into the three-way tie with two other teams na?
Number one siguro, maturity sa loob ng court. Second is consistency ko. Tsaka emotional control kasi ayun, kanina ang sobrang hitap na nung mula. And fourth is leadership siguro. Para kahit walang mga senior sa loob, kaya kong i-handle yung mga ka-teammates.
Congratulations to all East John and JJ.
Galing sumagot ng
Ako na
player.
sabi emotional control ko.